Park Assist Plus, the intelligent park assistant. Park Assist Plus supports you in your everyday parking routines. Appropriate parking spots are recognized by the system's sensors and displayed to the driver. The ID light is of additional assistance, providing you with visual notification of vacant parking possibilities. On request, the assistant will park your car with the help of the field sensors and will assist you when you wish to leave your parking spot. Self-initiated parking maneuvers can at any stage be handed over to the park assistant. As always, be aware of your surroundings to remain reactive if necessary. Parking is made easy with Park Assist Plus. To activate a search for vacant parking spots, switch to the Park menu in the infotainment. Available parking spots will be suggested to you while driving under 20 km per hour. Parallel parking spots are recognized by your park assistant, even up to speeds of 40 km per hour. Stop behind your chosen parking spot, activate the brake, and commence the parking maneuver with the Start button in the Park menu. Now remove your hands from the steering wheel and release the brake. Your Volkswagen will now automatically park for you. Even self-initiated parking maneuvers can simply and easily be handed over to the system. As always, be aware of your surroundings to remain reactive if necessary. Park Assist Plus is also able to assist you when leaving a parallel parking spot. In this case, press the brake and set the indicator in the direction you wish to go. Activate the Park Assistant again with the Start button in the Park menu. To hand over self-initiated parking maneuvers to the Park Assistant, start the process as usual via the Park menu. Parking is made effortless with Park Assist Plus.
Volkswagen.